In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change permissions on Smartsheet, a tool that's essential for managing and collaborating on projects efficiently. Whether you're leading a team or working with others on a shared project, knowing how to manage permissions is crucial to ensure that everyone has the right level of access. First, let's begin by logging into your Smartsheet account. Once you're logged in, navigate to your workspace. This is where all your sheets, dashboards, and reports are stored. You can think of your workspace as your personal organization hub within Smartsheet. Next, locate and open the particular sheet where you want to adjust permissions. It's important to make sure you're working within the correct sheet, as the changes you'll make will apply only to that specific item. Now turn your attention to the upper right corner of the Smartsheet interface. Here you'll find the Share button. Go ahead and click that button to open up the sharing interface. This is the area where you'll manage all the user permissions associated with this sheet, report, or dashboard. In this sharing form, you'll see a section labeled People with Access. This list includes everyone who currently has access to the sheet. Look through this list to find the person or group whose sharing permissions you wish to change. It's quite handy to have everyone in one list, as it allows for quick consolidated access management. Once you've identified the individual or group, look for a drop-down menu right next to their name. Click on this drop-down and you'll see a series of permission levels to choose from. The options typically include viewer, editor, admin, and owner. It's important to choose carefully, as each of these roles has different levels of access and capabilities within the sheet. For instance, a viewer can only view the information, while an editor can also make changes. After selecting the appropriate permission level, your change is almost complete. Smartsheet automatically applies the new permission level to the selected user or group, so there's no need to worry about saving your changes manually. This automation ensures that your updates are captured instantly, reducing the risk of oversight. Finally, rest assured that your changes have been saved automatically by Smartsheet. This auto-save feature is a tremendous time saver and ensures that any adjustments are implemented immediately, protecting the integrity of your project management. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to change permissions in Smartsheet, which allows you to manage your team's access and collaboration levels effectively. With these skills, you're now better equipped to maintain control over your project's workflow and security. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful.